Hey, howdy everybody. I want to do another little video, little update. Got a couple more things in. Figured I'd show you. So I've been making all these videos about the flatbed and stuff. Just sort of been neglecting some of my other rides. So I finally pushed the button, pulled the trigger on this bad boy here. Time to talk about DR10. Oh yeah. It's time to go with the MambaX. I haven't been making any videos with the drag. I recently just got a new battery. And it's time to upgrade that ESC. So currently I'm running a Selenium system. Basically this is a tracks, just what comes in most tracks is Vortex and whatnot. So I don't know if you can see that there. I threw some I think they're called Speedhawks. These are not the wheels I really run with. These are just, I threw them on there. I was going to play around, do some burnouts and stuff, but they're not serious with them. I just wanted to see how they would do with the ballooning and stuff, but I run my Proline Hoosiers on there. So yeah, I got a couple of goodies in. Got some new wheels I'm going to be putting on there. I'm going to get a new, I have another body already. I'm actually going to redo the same body again. But I'm going to do it in black. I'm going to throw these on there. And I'm going to go with some belted tires this time. And then I got this bad boy that I'm looking to pair with this. Really awesome little motor. And so yeah, I got this new battery. ChinaHobby. And everyone's talking about these batteries. And it's supposed to be like 100 and change C. It's supposed to be rated, or perform rather, more closer to a 200 C. Couldn't get to this little foam here. Got a little camera mount in there. It's getting in the way. I just want to show you real quick. So it's a 120C, but they say it's supposed to hit like a 200C. So between this, and this, I should really make some good numbers here. So yeah, a lot of people talking about these batteries, just ChinaHobby ones. So just wanted to give you a little update on that one. And you will be seeing more of the DR10. Of course, I'll switch back to my Hoosiers. I got them on my Hoosiers I keep on my trailer. I'll just show you really quickly. This is that's what I carry my DR10 with. Got all stand, I got a little hitch mount. I usually pull this with the XCS10. This thing is awesome. I love this thing. This thing is strong. I have another one. I got it in my storage. It's smaller. This is measured to carry all my crawlers, and my Wraith is pretty big, so I made it pretty big. But I have another one that's made just to carry like Vortex and small little cars like that. I don't know if you can see that red cat in there. But yeah, this is really like it's 10 scale, but it's fit scale. You know, it's weird. But yeah, so thanks for tuning in, checking out my goodies. Check for updates soon. And see you out there. Peace.